As I said, it is important not only from the point of view of the welfare of the worker of his right to leisure but also from the point of view of the safety of our roads. In view of this, sir, and in view of the fact that it is hardly quite safe if the driver himself is not quite alert and his nerves are not quite fresh, it will spell disasters for the road users. In view of this, the Joint Select Committee has wisely rejected the classification that was originally proposed in the bill. That classification was made on an idea that in the towns the traffic was more congested, that the strain on the driver was heavier, and that therefore he required rest more immediately than was the case of a driver who had to drive between one village and another or one town and another because there the roads were at a long stretch and there are traffic perhaps was not so heavy that particular contentions would not be quite true to reality, and even if it were so, the implementation of that particular classification would have been very difficult because many of the vehicles that play between towns and ply within the towns and therefore it would have been very difficult to make a distinction as to when the driver was employed in plying his vehicle within the town and between the towns, and from that point of view also this classification would have been undesirable. To my mind, therefore, the Joint Select Committee has wisely done away with this classification. While doing away with the classification, however, sir, the Joint Select Committee has thought it fit to raise the spread over to 12 hours in all cases for all the drivers. Now, sir, it is perhaps reasonable to expect that when a driver has to ply his vehicle between one town and another, a spread over of 12 hours per day might have been justifiable in view of the fact that the distances there are long, and therefore it will perhaps be difficult to say that the spread over could reduce to less than 12 hours. In the towns and cities, on the other hand, sir, it is more necessary not to spread the hours of work over a stretch of 12 hours because it is possible there to see that the shifts are so arranged that the total spread over is not as long as 12 hours. Now, because this classification has gone away, this spread over has been made uniform 12 hours for every driver.